Hey, what's up YouTube? It's been more than 30 days since I had this Osmo Pocket, and I have nothing but appreciation about this Osmo Pocket. Who would not love this gadget? It's so handy and perfect for creating video blogs. But same with other gadget, it's far from being perfect. And here are the top 3 things I hate about this Osmo Pocket. Now first, it came with an adapter so you could connect it with a smartphone, but it won't perfectly fit unless you remove the case on your smartphone. So that's a deal breaker for me. Second, it didn't came with an audio jack input. It could have been better if they placed an audio jack input so you could easily put in an external lav mic for better audio recording. And third, which I hate most about this Osmo Pocket, is even after the firmware upgrade, it still has some autofocus issue, especially on low light situations. I have been using this for more than 30 days and I have tested it on low light situations, especially indoors, and man, this indeed has issues on focus issues, especially on low light. It won't focus on things that I tested, especially during night or when low light situations. But once again, it's a first version of this Osmo Pocket. There are a lot of things I like about this Osmo Pocket. For me, this is one of the best gadget that I had for creating video blogs. It's perfect for that. But those are the 3 things which I think needs to be improved about this Osmo Pocket. So guys, let me know about your experiences and comments about this Osmo Pocket. Let me know on the comment section below on your experience and the things that needs to be improved on this Osmo Pocket. Thank you.